Okay, so for Wednesday, I'm going to have you guys, if you're ready, start working on your portrait, and we're going to be using cross-hatching for the entire thing. So for each section, so I have a little part of the lips here. Obviously, I'm not expecting that you use real color, but you're going to use hatching or cross-hatching. So when I come through the lips, I'm going to choose that one section, and I'm going to cross-hatch through it. Or in this case, sorry, hatch through this. Then I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to go with red, and I'm going to go the opposite direction. Just remember that cross-hatching is simply just going like that, which you can barely see. Let me move it. And then coming back the opposite direction, and then maybe going the third direction. One of the things that I'm looking for is that you use at least two colors in each section. So now I'm going to come in, and this is a small lip, so I got to be careful. But I'm going to color in with some yellow just to get this more clear in this part, because it's really tiny. I'm going to have to color in completely. Then I want to really accent that, so I'm going to come around with my black and really make that work. Make that pop out. So you can use whatever colors you'd like, and honestly as many colors as you'd like, but the thing is that it's always going to be hatching. So I'm going to come down to my lip, or this lip, and again. And I'm going to do red again this time. Now your entire portrait could be done in just, I don't know, red, purple, and yellow. That's fine. But you're going to be hatching and cross-hatching over these things. I guess I'll go with a little bit of blue to mix this up. And see how this goes. And then maybe I'll come through and I'm going to make this blue underneath, and then maybe add some blue to get rid of some of that white. But I'm letting the cross-hatching show through. There we go. Now this isn't a shape down on his chin, so I want it to be a shape. So I'm going to complete it. So now I have another area that I can fill in. The stuff up here, this kind of weird, yeah, I added that in because I thought it looked cool. I'm also looking at this. This is ending off. It's not a shape. So I'm going to add it so that this becomes a shape. And maybe I'll do this so that now I have this shape in here. You also need to fill in your background, but your background does not necessarily have to be, like you could put other things in the background, but you want to mix it up quite a bit. So I'm going to add some blue in here. And I'm going to keep on going. So again, cross-hatching over and over again. I'm going crazy with color. You certainly don't have to. I mean, I figure 3 colors minimum. So like I might do the red, the orange, and yellow as a possibility. I could do the green, purple, and blue. Another possibility. Or I could just go crazy with color depending on what I want. You should work on it just for about 20 minutes today.